Hello. Let's learn some colors. Brown color, purple color, yellow color, orange color, grey color, blue color, pink color, green color, black color, red color. Let's learn ABC. A, B, C. Apple, banana, cherry. A for apple. A, apple. Green color. Brown color. Dark green color. B. B for banana. B, banana. Yellow color. C. C for cherry. K, cherry. Cherry pink color. Brown color. Spectral green color. A for apple. B for banana. C for cherry. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.